Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Palm Coast local and long-distance movers near me. Moving across state lines or across the country requires the right long-distance movers. We not only help you with the transportation portion of your move, but also with all your needs. Here are some of the things we can do for you when you hire us to provide our long-distance moving services: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might seem difficult to rationalize hiring a Florida moving company at first. However, when you look at the benefits of hiring professionals to help with your move, it can quickly make justifying the cost pretty simple. We offer experienced movers that know how to pack up your things and move them safely. Hiring the right movers will also save you time and let you get settled into your new home faster. When you work with a professional team such as 3 Movers, the process of moving can be streamlined. We help move people every single day, and we are experts in residential and commercial moves. What might take you an entire week to complete, we can handle in a few hours or a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palm Coast moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.